Our beans is fully cooked and it's very soft after 14 minutes. Wow, I got this new Gourmia 1-liter design pressure cooker. It says it has pressure cooker plus air fryer. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you things that comes with the pressure cooker. Actually, this is my first time using a pressure cooker, so I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you guys what is inside. It comes with the lid. Okay, here is the lid. So I found the manual inside it. Here is the manual, and it also comes with this as well. So this shows all the things inside it. So here is the multi-purpose rack. Here is the rack. Here is the racks that comes in it. And this is the, okay, there is the cord. This is the cord. This is the grease filter. Comes with a grease filter. Measuring cup, and condensation collector. What's this? This is like a okay, this is rice. This is a rice paddle. Scoop your rice. And yeah, then we have the air fryer basket. Air fryer basket. And then we have the pressure cooker pot. Here's the pressure cooker pot that comes with it. It's 2 pots, the pressure cooker and the air fryer. And the last but not the least, we have the main pressure cooker pot. This is called the, what is this called? So here is the base. It actually has the button and other functions on it. And okay, here is the plug, the socket area. And well, okay, and that's it. And the inside of it as well. So I will try to use it to cook probably beans and show you guys how it worked, and to show you how how it cooked the beans and the things I noticed about the pressure cooker. Okay, as well, make sure to go through the manual. It's actually 2 manuals. This is I don't even know it's 2 manuals now. This is the recipe book. Comes with this, and it also comes with this as well. So this is the recipe book and this is the manual. The manual actually contains every information you need to know. So I'm going to read the manual before using it and see how it works. The top part right here is for the pressure cooking. All these buttons that say pressure cook. This top part right here is for the pressure cooking pot, and the bottom right here is for the air frying pan. Okay, so it has 2 sides. If you're using the air frying, these are the buttons right here, and if you're using the pressure cooking pot, these are the buttons right here. So our beans is cooking. We're going to check it after 40 minutes. If you got everything set up properly, the timer is going to read. Remember when I started, it was in 40 minutes. So the timer is reading now, and you can see it has changed right from 40 downward. So once it got to 00, it's going to stop. So once you see the timer, you know, like changing numbers, that means everything is working perfectly. So it finished cooking, and it automatically turns to keep warm. Our beans is fully cooked, and it's very, very soft after 40 minutes. Wow, I love this. It's actually, there's no heat coming out of it. You can't even know you are cooking. It's very, very quiet. So I think I love it so far. So I'm about to air fry chicken wings. So for air frying, I'm going to need my air fryer, the grease filter, and the rack. Okay, so these are all we need for our air fryer. So I'm going to put this inside it. Then my rack is going to go in just like this. And I'm going to place my chicken right on the rack. So I got my chicken in the air fryer, and I'm going to start cooking. Our wings is now cooking, but you can check it randomly if you want to see how the chicken is, the wings is, you know, cooking. You can pause. You can pause press the pause button right here. Then you can, you know, open the lid and then check it to see how it's cooking. If you want to adjust the temperature or the time, then you can do so. Our chicken wing is ready. I have to actually adjust the timing to manual and then set it up, add some more time, because the preset time, when I check it, once the preset time is done, it's not fully cooked like I would like it to. So I have to, you know, add some more time using the manual button, and I had like 10 more minutes. So it actually took 30 minutes to air fry these chicken wings. So I will advise you to use the manual settings if you are cooking your chicken wings, so that it can instantly cook, or the preset can be, is fine as well, because it depends on how you want your wings to be crispy. And one more thing before I end this video, make sure to wash your air fryer basket, your pressure cook pot before you start using this equipment. It is very, very important. So make sure to wash it and make sure everything is clean. You clean the inside the base as well. Everything that comes with it, make sure it's clean before you start using it. You have to empty out the oil, and that's it. If you have any question or comments, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll actually get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.